Hi, I'm Morgan.
I'm Harrison.
We are budget travelers, and if you missed our last video in Hallstatt, this is actually our part 2, and in the last one you'll find out that we are staying in Salzburg in Austria in these videos, and we take a day trip to Hallstatt. Our whole channel is about how we managed to travel for barely any money, doing workaways, house sits, all sorts of weird cheap ways, so please hit subscribe, and please enjoy the video.
This is Hallstatt part 2.
Don't do anything crazy, don't, just stay, just stay.
I was so excited. I thought this was rock candy. Turns out I have the mentality of a 0 to 3-year-old, and that it's not a toy and it's not food. It's hearts. It's heart stones. So Harrison's hand looks just like this guy's hand. Dirt under the nails and everything. This hand is your hand. This hand is my hand.
Wait, that's your hand. No, wait, it's my hand.
We laughed at that so hard when we first saw that.
Too hard.
We like still laugh every day about that.
Embarrassed how hard
It was so funny.
I don't know why you wanna treat me this way.
See, it deceives you. It says 24, but that's just for the shirt.
It's like melted marshmallow, but like liquid.
Can I have that?
Yeah.
we are back in Salzburg after the day in Hallstatt. Honestly, we could have used way more time there. The last ferry leaves at like 18, which I don't remember what time it is.
We started it at around
8:15 was when the bus left.
Yeah.
And then from there, we went to the train station and to Hallstatt. We got to Hallstatt around 12-ish. Today totally flew by, and I wish we had more time in Hallstatt. We have been watching Sound of Music on the bus and train. It's awesome, and it's so crazy. Like, they were here. Like, it's so crazy. Harrison has never seen it, so it's his first time. What do you think about it?
I think it's really good, but we haven't finished it yet. It's like a 3-hour long movie, and
Yes.
with us driving everywhere, it wasn't enough time to finish it. So, still got about 30 minutes left to watch.
Cliffhanger.
Yeah.
As we were driving away from Hallstatt, I was listening to Spotify, and an old song came on that I used to love, like back in middle school, and I just got to thinking about what I would have thought about me being here now. And it's like all my dreams, okay, not all my dreams, but this dream from so long ago, I'm doing it now. And it just made me a little like emotional for a second, and it's just crazy to think that like we're traveling the world, or at least Europe. But yeah, I'm really happy and really lucky. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.